Hey there. If you have a floor in your home, this video is for you. So I'm going to share one of my all-time favorite Norwex products. I've actually had this little guy for 5.5 years. And this month it's on sale, 15% off as part of our mission savings for breast cancer awareness. So this is the world famous Norwex mop system. This is what all of my customers want. It's probably the most coveted item in the catalog. So the Norwex mop system comes with this telescopic mop handle that is adjustable depending on your height or what you're trying to clean. It does come with the mop base and then 2 mop pads. So this is the dry mop pad. See how that's yellow? And I've actually been sweeping my floor right before this video. And look at what I've collected. Yes, we have a big dog that's shedding. The crumbs, the pet hair, and see how it's sticking on there? It's not flying around. It's because this mop pad works with a static electricity charge. Now, the mop system also comes with a wet mop pad. So let me take this dry mop pad off. Super easy. I don't even have to bend down. And I'm going to put that wet mop pad right on the floor. The wet mop pad, we don't need any sprays or disposable pads. We just use the Norwex microfiber, which is proven to remove 99% of bacteria from our floors using just water alone. And when this mop pad's dirty and the dry mop pad, I can just throw them in the washing machine for a good wash. And look how fast. I can actually mop my entire upstairs. Now I have to walk on my wet floor. I can mop my entire upstairs in like 5 minutes. And this is fantastic because the mop is a product that can grow with you. We have lots of different optional mop pads. We have tile mop pad you can use to clean your showers. We have, I'm going to show you real quick. We have this tile mop pad, a duster mop pad. So if you have pets that have really fine hair, this is fantastic, this duster mop pad. We also have a window mop pad. Yep, you can use the Norwex mop to do your windows. Like, how crazy is that? One of the things that I recommend everyone get with their Norwex mop is the dustpan and rubber brush. So this fits right on your mop handle, snaps on, and we'll snap that on in a second. But I'm going to take the rubber brush off of here, and we're going to clean off that dry mop pad. So, okay, you saw how bad that was, right? I'm just going to hold it over this trash can. And one thing that I noticed is that my floors stay cleaner longer, because when I was using a traditional broom in the past, I felt like I was just kind of kicking dirt around, kicking dog hair around. Now I'm actually physically picking it up and removing. And that's kind of the theme with Norwex, right? We lift up and we get rid of it, which keeps our homes cleaner, which also means I have to mop less, which is awesome. Now, the Norwex mop system comes with a 5-year warranty, and as you have it, it's definitely going to grow with you because there's lots of optional mop pads, mop attachments. One of my favorites is this. It's a grout brush. It does come with a handle here, but you can attach this right on your Norwex mop system and use this to clean the grout. Look how good that is. Put it on your wish list or host a party and get some of these extra attachments. Another item I love putting on my Norwex mop handle is our Enviro wand. So you see here, I've got this big stairway, right? So this corner always gets the cobwebs. Let me turn the camera over just a little bit so you can see what I'm about to do. All right, so we've got lots of cobwebs over here, and this Enviro wand is bendable, so I can use this for ceiling fans as well. But look at this. I'm not at risk for falling. And it's really easy, right, to clean all those dust bunnies and all the things. And I don't have to get a ladder out. I can just use my mop handle. And you're going to clean this off the same way as we did that dry mop pad with the rubber brush. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Grab a mop, get it while it's on sale this month, or host a party and earn one for free. The majority of our customers do earn them for free, and it's a great way to stock up on your Norwex by hosting. I'll see you soon. I hope you enjoyed this video.